first, and 70% of orange, and 30% of green. Do you want more green? You absolutely can. I'll try that one. So I did the other ones. Hold on, I'm gonna show you. This one a little bit pinker. Blend this one out. So make sure you blend it so then you can able to get more like marble look. My monomer's right there, so I have to, oh, it's really weird. Okay, let me move that one first. Really odd spots. Hold on. Couldn't reach that one. Get me the stuff. I can get this one out. Let me try to move that because I'm trying to show everyone how I pick up the beads and my hand in the opposite way. Okay. All right, so hold on. Can you see on Facebook? You know, you share on Facebook. So I'm gonna do it in like the orange first and the green. So hopefully you can see it because it was really weird for me when I holding my hand over in this direction. You want to create a look of like have orange and like have redness and green. So now I have this chrome flick and I'm gonna open that colors and this number 90 glitter. Just pick just a little bit. It's a chrome flick. All right, can you see? It's just the lighting really get me. But I'm so excited today. Okay, so the space that I have is just so small. I couldn't have everything in front of you. So this is the colors of a loose glitter, the newest one. And I'm just using my brush and pick up just a little bit. And this number 90. I pick some up. There you go. This is, you can take much time if you needed it and do it thin, because if you do it thin, you make it designs really nice already and you can absolutely go back and cap that with the clear. I am going to try to pick some of, oh, I'm so bad. Here is because I have a little bit smaller space. I'm afraid of I'll knock everything off. But hope you get my concept, you know. Okay, so I'm gonna pick the rainbow maple leaves. You don't have to settle for, can I get the green one? Oh, I saw the purple one. Okay, this one. Oh, the purple is so cute. You can do that purple glitter as well. So it doesn't matter if your clients let you do a freestyle for fall and then you want to do something like this. You absolutely can. Pick up a little bit clear. All right. And now you're happy with this. You are going to cap this one, okay, with crystal clear. It looks like Instagram. I have to keep the fingers like the nailsicle like this. So can we do it like this? Better. Using the belly of my brush. Hello Instagram and Facebook. Thank you so much for tuning in. For those of you tuning in, I am doing a liquid gunpowder. I think I did this like 2 days ago with some really cool liquid gunpowder, and then a lot of you will request for this again. Same thing, it's the same concept if you are using for the Halloween's encapsulating. This is just one of the leaf or the glitter that we have for fall. This is one on a set, and also we have the other ones you can do with single colors as well. I'll do another beads for the cuticles to cap all my dramatic glitter, loose glitter right there. Using the belly of the brush and blend it down. It's gonna look so much better after we like shape it and file it. It looks dull right now, which is normal. All right. Well, I like the purple leaf though. Okay, let this one set. We are going to do the next one. So it's similar to the ones I just did. And go and